Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm Muhammad from Moslehi School channel. Extending the C drive in Windows without using any software can be done using the built-in disk management tool. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to extend the C drive using disk management. First, let's go and take a look at our drives. As you can see, my C drive is almost full. So now we have to extend the C drive. In order to extend the C drive, we need to have an empty space after the C drive. But we don't have an empty space after the C drive here. Okay, we will come first and create an empty space. For this, we will shrink the D drive. Now, I'm going to open disk management. Press Windows and R to open the Run dialog box. Type diskmgmt.msc and press Enter. This opens the disk management tool. Right-click adjacent partition and select shrink volume. Alright, enter the amount of space you want to shrink in megabytes and click shrink. This will create an allocated space next to your D drive. As I said before, now we need to create an empty space after the C drive. But currently, there is no empty space next to the C drive. For this, we need to create a new volume with the unallocated space next to the D drive. Now we transfer the data in the D drive to the new drive we created. We go back to disk management and delete the D drive. Alright, we have reached the last step and we can extend the C drive. For this, right-click on the C drive, which now has an allocated space next to it, and select Extend Volume. Select the unallocated space and follow the wizard to extend the C drive. It's done! Thanks for watching!